The wait is officially over. We have our first official look at the absolute most important upgrade of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Not just that, Apple's biggest nightmare has come true, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite platform, which is competing with Apple's M series chip, and these chips could even come to 2025 Android flagships, including the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Absolute insane power for the future. But for now, we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and let's see what is coming with the S24 Ultra. So right off the bat, here are the figures. The CPU is 30% faster with 20% more power efficiency. GPU is coming at 25% faster speed with 25% power efficiency. And finally, the NPU is 98% faster with 40% more power efficiency. This is an incredible big leap of upgrades compared to last generation. The reason why we have such a big NPU jump is because this is the first ever Qualcomm chip made specifically for generative AI. As we have heard that Galaxy S24 Ultra is Samsung's AI phone, they're bringing ChatGPT-like generative AI features built in with Bixby out of the box with the One UI 6.1 on the S24 series. Now with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 having those generative AI capabilities, it all makes sense. The 8 Gen 3 is the first chip to support multi-modality Gen AI models along with executing 10 billion plus parameters. Along with this, with the help of AI and the new camera ISP, we have for the first time night vision for video capture, basically enabling night mode for videos, along with the powerful implementation of video object eraser. Now taking a look at the GPU, not only it's faster and more efficient, but it also for the first time enables 240 FPS gaming thanks to Adreno Frame Motion Engine 2.0. We also have improvements to ray tracing with Unreal Engine 5 with Lumen, enhancing the gaming experience to the next level. And perhaps one of the most important things about this GPU is the upscaling of gaming up to 8K resolution. Graphic upscaling allows for enhanced gaming experience without having too much pressure on the GPU, one of the big reasons why Apple was able to implement console games on the iPhone. So hopefully we could see some console games coming to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 specifically, utilizing the brand new Snapdragon Game Super Resolution. Now considering the amazing battery life performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 from last year, the 8 Gen 3 being 20% more power efficient, it's gonna make things even better, making the S24 Ultra an absolute beast of a phone when it comes to the battery performance. Now before we talk about Apple's biggest nightmare, which is Qualcomm Orion CPU that could potentially one day come to the S25 Ultra next year, I have to show you guys my new addition to the everyday tech carry. The best sounding handheld speaker is finally here. If you want to truly enjoy high-res sound anywhere, anytime, then Motion 300 is here to deliver the best sound experience. With amazing exclusive features such as Smart Tune adaptive technology which delivers incredible sound, a loud 30-watt distortion-free audio output making it the most powerful sounding speaker in this form factor. I absolutely love the build quality of this thing considering the price. I mean, it is a full-on seamless metal design that looks very stylish, very premium, extremely easy to carry around, especially on them camping or outdoor trips, IPX7 waterproof along with a detachable strip. Aside from delivering the excellent high-res audio, you can adjust up to 9 bands of EQ and find out your favorite music style. Motion 300 is indeed a game changer. Be sure to use my special link in the description to buy today. Alrighty, so Qualcomm has officially announced their Snapdragon X Elite platform of chip that uses Orion CPU. This chip is said to be faster than Apple's M2 Max chip, not only in single core but also in multi-core, while at the same time completely killing Intel in the game when you compare this chip to the x86 based platform chip. It's got 12 Orion CPU cores that can hit up to 3.8 GHz of speed with 2 Prime cores that can go all the way up to 4.3 GHz. It's a completely ARM-based custom chip designed by Qualcomm that they've been working on for quite some time, and now that it's finally here, it has completely shocked the industry by beating Apple's flagship M2 Max chip. It also comes with an extremely powerful desktop-class premium Adreno integrated GPU. What's most exciting is that Qualcomm has said that by next year, Orion CPU could even come to smartphones, meaning we could actually see this on the S25 Ultra. Just imagine the amount of performance we're gonna have on our phones in next year. For sure, we should be able to play console games right on our phones. Now, Apple is expected to announce their brand new M series chip at their latest Apple event that's gonna happen on October 30th. But for now, it seems like Qualcomm has surpassed the best of Apple that is right now, and this is just the beginning. It wasn't Samsung or any other company. Qualcomm was the one to surpass Apple, and well, happy times, as Qualcomm is the close friend of Samsung. We're gonna see all this top-of-the-line hardware on Samsung phones and even on the laptops as well as the foldable devices. I can't wait to see the potential of this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.